Hello everyone, it is the Gamer today with a brand new video. In this video I will show a quick little tip for all the system builders and people that just reinstalled Windows maybe a couple minutes ago, maybe a couple hours. You know, there is always this moment you have to install your software. That means your browser, your favorite media player, Steam for some people, like your whole software suite. Sometimes you need Adobe Flash Player, you need Shockwave, you need Java. It's all done via separate downloads. You have to watch out for the toolbars, and installing one might actually cause quite a lot of trouble. Like if you know how to use Revo and uninstaller, it's sometimes easy to remove, but other times it can still be a pain in the butt. So there is one easy tool that can install a lot of the software you use in a couple minutes. First of all, make sure you update your Windows installation before continuing with this video. I am not responsible for any installations failing and literally not working afterwards, since they will not install, even not from the original installer. If an install crashes, not like midway, but if you have some update going, sometimes the software has trouble. Make sure you update everything. You're probably better off doing that anyway, so update your system, install the latest security patches, everything, and then do this. This is Windows only, so all the macOS and Linux users, I am sorry, this doesn't work for you. Okay, so starting off, you could open, if you already have a browser installed, which I assume you don't, you could open that, but if you haven't, just use Internet Explorer. I have noticed quite a bit of issues with the Edge browser. I'm not really a fan of that. Here we go. Going to google.com, mine is from Belgium of course, since I am at this moment in Belgium. Going to Google is required since Bing shows a bunch of ads and then gives you the real page. Going to Google, then typing in Ninite, which basically is spelled just like this, N-I-N-I-T-E. Just click the search icon, and here you have a couple options. The first one, ninite.com, is basically the one you have to get. You click the link, and then you come to a page looking like this. Make sure it's the real one. There are sometimes a couple counterfeits. Make sure you don't get it there, since then you're in trouble. But if it looks along these lines, sometimes they change the layout. I haven't seen that in a while though, so it should be fine for a while. What I would recommend you all do is pick every piece of software you want to install on your installation, even if you're not sure whether you have done it already or not. If you have installed something already, it might update it, but it'll probably skip it if it's already the newest version. Go along every category and make sure you check it all. Also a handy trick is using Revo, which is basically a better uninstaller. It uninstalls and removes everything, so I would recommend installing this TerraCopy. I prefer to have that since it copies files way quicker. These are two that I generally recommend to people to use, but you can use whatever you like. But these two are really good pieces of software. VLCs too. So basically select the software you would like. So we'll go and select my default installation. Check them twice, make sure you have selected them all. I have selected all my software right here. So then scrolling down again, you can see a little blue button saying get your Ninite. People have different ways of saying it. You click this button and there you go. It will start downloading a file. You can save it wherever you'd like. What I like to do is then get a file that I just got, this one, and rename it to my PC I'm currently on. I have different installers for different PCs, so mine, which I'm currently recording, is my PC upstairs. Basically that's the name I give to this installer, and then I can keep the installer for when I reinstall Windows. I can just double click and get most of my software up and running within minutes. So to run the file, right click, run as administrator, and there you go. You might get a UAC prompt. Normally you would get that prompt. I disabled UAC, so I will not. There we go, it's now downloading Chrome and waiting to download the others. I'm going to cancel this since I don't need an update at all. And there we go. This will take some amount of time. On older PCs it might even take up to 10 minutes or more. but you know, it's all installed, it's all there afterwards. So this is a really handy trick for people that reinstall or install PCs all the time, which this really helped me out quite a bit. So there we go, that's about it. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like, a comment and a subscribe. It would be highly appreciated. See you on the next one. Gamer out and ciao.